I bet you didn't know dragonflies are like tiny helicopters. They've got moves you won't believe. These amazing insects can fly in any direction, up, down, sideways, and even backwards. Dragonflies can hover in place like a pro, staying still in mid-air while searching for food or mates. Their wings move independently, giving them incredible control and speed. Some dragonflies can fly as fast as 30 miles per hour. So, next time you see one darting around, remember you're watching a tiny aerial acrobat that works pretty cool, right? Hit that like button if you think dragonflies are awesome, dude.